Hey, I'm Brandon with RevZilla, and today on Ride Tested, we're checking out the Dainese New Drake Air textile pants. I've been wearing these for over 6 years now, and I wear them pretty routinely, so I wanted to tell you exactly why. So let's grab a bike and check them out.
The New Drake Air textile pants from Dainese, I have been utilizing these for, gosh, almost since I started at RevZilla, honestly. So that was over 6.5 years ago now. So I've been using them for quite some time. I really like them because obviously they're going to be a great summer option as they are designed to provide some good airflow. And they do, mainly through the vents right here just behind that knee. And you'll get that on both sides. And you have the ability to close that. It's just a snap and a zipper. So you can close that up if you're riding in colder conditions. And that's what I really like about these pants, is because they do give you a good amount of versatility there. I've worn them into the winter down into 40 degrees. I mean, granted, I had a nice base layer on, and my commute into the office is only about 20-25 minutes, so it's not a really long commute or anything like that. But even in 40 degrees with all my base layers and everything, they did a really good job in those colder riding conditions. But I mainly use them for the summer, and I think they feel a bit more comfortable and a bit more lightweight in comparison to, you know, a set of leathers that you might be wearing in the middle of summer, because they are textile. The other thing is they fit on the slimmer side of the spectrum. A lot of textile pants tend to fit a bit generous, kind of get the dad pants going on there, and I'm not really a big fan of that. So I like the slim cut that they have. Now, I will say when I first got these, they were snug behind the knee, which is kind of odd, but for me, I don't really have large calves or anything like that, but that was something I noticed right away, but it definitely broke in and relaxed real nicely with regular use and time, so not an issue at all. Good protection. You've got some padding at the thighs here, and that's just some simple foam padding, but you do have knee protection that covers almost your whole shin. If you're wearing a full-length race-style boot, they will pretty much cover your whole shin there. So a good amount of protection at the knee down towards the shin as well. Now, if you're looking for more airflow, they do have the Super Airs, the Super Air textile pants, which incorporates a lot more mesh on the entire thigh here mainly. So if you're looking for more airflow, that's pretty much the next iteration of these particular pants. But I like these personally because of the versatility. If I'm in the city and it's 95 degrees out, yeah, they're hot. You know, there's no way to avoid that. I don't care what gear you're wearing. If you're in stop and go traffic going one light to the next, you're going to be hot. But you know, for normal highway use, some back roads, some twisty roads, things like that in the summer, these work really well. And then again, I can use them in those colder riding conditions. So that is why I like these, because of the versatility that they add. They're not waterproof, but again, those colder rider conditions with some base layers, you should be good to go. They do have that full connection zipper as well. So if you want to pair them up with a matching Dainese jacket, it does have that 270 zip, I believe it is. Goes almost all the way around the pants. So you can mate these up with the Dainese jacket, eliminate that gap, and you've got something that's not only safe, it's going to be comfortable for those longer days in the saddle, but it is going to provide you with excellent abrasion resistance as well, and tons of airflow with these guys. So if you're looking for a more, you know, sporty to sport touring style pair of pants, got the slim cut, not a lot of logos, definitely worth checking these out. These are actually a favorite around the RevZilla office, so I highly recommend them. But if you live in Arizona or you're riding in really hot conditions, take a look at the Super Airs there. Those will probably be a better option for you because they've got more mesh for you, more airflow. So those will be a bit more comfortable. But guys, I am enjoying riding this new street triple that I'm ripping around on right now. So I'm going to get back to enjoying some of these back roads. You guys ride safe out there. If you have any questions, hit me up. Always happy to talk gear and bikes. If you're looking for a detailed product breakdown, we do have that on the site as well. Just type in Dainese New Drake Air textile pants. Should pull it right up for you. But I'm going to get back to it. Hopefully you guys are getting out there, getting in some ride time on two wheels, staying safe. As always, keep it pinned. Woo!